What will happen if the Earth was flung out of orbit? Our planet orbits around the Sun at 93 million miles. This is going to change. Earth will be completely exposed to the void.
A comet.
Not just a comet. It's a rogue comet about the size of Mars. And it's moving at the direction of Earth. Not an impact, but it will move directly past it. Now, as the comet gets closer, it starts to tremble. As pieces of the comet breaks apart from the Sun and Earth's, it could overwhelm it to contracts and meteor shower. As it enters the atmosphere, millions of pieces of rock and ice rain down from space. The comet passes so close it affects Earth's orbit. The Earth gets ejected out of its orbit. Particles continue raining down on the Earth. But, as the rock passes, it unleashes a powerful gravitational tug on Earth that could affect Earth's atmosphere. The comet's gravity yanks on Earth's atmosphere and tides like the moon's. This could cause apocalyptic mood swing. Earth's climate will go haywire and wrong. As the ocean rise by the comet, they come falling down from the other side of the world. After the Earth was yanked out of orbit, the climate disaster still relentlessly go out of control. And on the other side of the planet isn't any safer. As the climate change around the world, deep in the ocean life still goes on. On the surface on the other side of the world, the sun seems different. After a week out of orbit, the Earth is now 94 million miles away from the Sun. At Paris, people start looking up at the sun with
On
uncertainty.
dirait presque une étoile loin là.
Ça me fait un peu peur. Regarde, tout le monde,
On
personne.
dirait qu'il va se passer.
After 2 weeks, the Earth is still 94 million miles. The Earth continued to drift out of orbit. The temperature will begin to change radically. But there's another threat coming our way. The moon drifts close to Earth. It's so close it causes earthquakes and tsunamis. Lunar eclipses will look absolutely stunning. What if Earth was catapulted out of orbit, triggering catastrophic events all over the world? The comet's gravity has already changed the moon's orbit to elliptical. If that's not bad enough, Earth is about to face the worst catastrophe to ever strike the modern world. Now, after a month out of orbit, the Earth is now 96 million miles away. In New York City, you dive into a lifeless scene of total emptiness and grief. The buildings are already wrecked from tsunamis from a rogue comet. The Earth's climate change continues. In South Africa, there's no snow, yet. Life goes on under a rapidly shifting climate. Europe was also impacted by fragments of the comet. 2 months after the comet yanked Earth out of orbit, the climate change just gets out of hand. We made it. We're now 100 million miles away from the sun. The Earth is now a global ice ball. 2 months out of orbit. Some oceans still intact, for now, but the rest of the world is still doomed to a big freeze. As Earth moves even more far away from the sun, a layer of ice forms above the snow. Earth is now negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit. People begin moving underground. It's their only way to survive this apocalyptic catastrophe. They stock accessories, food, and water, the leftovers they have.
How much farther?
We're here. Start cataloging. Water first.
Supplies are intact. Clothes, rations, plenty.
Comet altered our orbital path. We're leaving the habitable zone faster than projected. Clear of view. Earth's now 141 million miles out. Ice expansion accelerating. We estimate another...
Now the Earth is at the same distance as Mars. It's now 3 months now. It's time for 6. The lush blue oceans that once driving Earth weather has shut down. No more blue oceans. But the sea turtles can survive extreme weather if they're in deep. They will adapt to it, but it's too late. Earth is just too far. Over. Goodbye, blue marble. What if Earth was ejected out of orbit by a rogue comet? Its gravity has already set the moon tremendously close. A climate disaster that spread across the globe. Superstorm that literally ripped apart houses. A death blizzard that erased anything in its path. Now, the Earth finally reaches the asteroid belts. The Earth is 270 million miles away from the Sun. Global temperature is negative 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The year is now July 7th, 2026. The Earth as we know it is now lifeless, bombarded by the asteroids from the asteroid belt. One year after the Earth leaves orbit, our planet is simply unrecognizable. Almost 4.6 billion years, nothing. No one is left alive.
We prepared. When Earth's orbit failed, we dug. We traded the sky for the silence of the deep crust. For 1 year, the distance to Mars, 141 million miles, was survivable. Our geothermal power kept the air warm, the pumps running, the lights on.
One year after Earth was ejected out of orbit, the Earth is now 1 billion miles away from the Sun.
Quiet. Please. Quiet. 3 weeks ago, we detected an object of impossible density and speed. Not an asteroid. A rogue comet, a frozen giant the size of Mars, moving across the ecliptic.
The information was approved. The comet that passed right past Earth can positively thaw Earth out of existence. Satellites have long been destroyed, causing millions of TVs to stop working. But all of that is left in the past. 100 years later, the final layers of ice form above the solid surface. This ice is unbreakable. Earth is less under negative 367 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the final act. Our blue planet is no longer sustainable. And after 1,000 years later, Earth is dead.
Our planet is long gone, just floating, shivering, lifeless ball of ice, drifting in a cold, dark void of total emptiness. The point of non-return, Earth is officially a rogue planet itself. Earth has officially became the dark marble. No protection from its home star. It has to face the killers that conquer the night.
After the next 1,000 years, Earth can no longer see, not even a dim speck, what's left of our solar system. Eventually, Earth's core freezes. No more oxygen.
And no moo. Wait, where is the moon? The moon is drifting away along with the Earth. Maybe both may get caught up to a new solar system.